welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is a pair of H11 bumper fog lights lamp for Honda Pilot from 2012 to 2017 replacement clear lens. So I purchased this out of eBay for $20 plus free shipping, and then plus tax, so it's about $21.75 out the door. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company, and this was the lowest price that I found. So be sure to shop around before you click on the item and check out. Anyway, let's go and then unbox it and check out the fog lights. They come with a screw and some kind of fastener. Wow. So it comes with the bulb and everything, which is a pretty good deal. Normally just a bulb itself is about pretty expensive, so I'm not sure what color or the temperature is the bulb, so sure it's some kind of broken plastic or and then there are four the mounting holes right here. Yeah, this sounds like a glass. So yeah, unfortunately my wife's Honda Pilot, the glass got hit by a rock on the freeway or something, but then it got cracked, so that's why I bought this replacement. So I'm probably gonna change both of them, so it looks both of them, make them both look new and stuff like that. So hopefully it's gonna have a retro fit. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.